Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature in Salesforce called the Lookup Relationship. Let's get started. What is a lookup relationship? Imagine you have two different lists of information in Salesforce. One list has customer names, and the other has order details. A lookup relationship is like a bridge that connects a specific customer with their orders. It helps us see the linked information between two separate objects easily. Why use a lookup relationship? Well, they make our data more organized and accessible. For example, if we look up a customer named Jane Doe, a lookup relationship can show us all the orders Jane has placed with just a click.
It's that simple.
How to create a lookup relationship? First, log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the Object Manager. Here, you'll choose the object where you want to add the lookup relationship. Next, click on Fields and Relationships on your chosen object. This area lets you manage all the connections and data that your object holds. Then, click the New Field button and choose Lookup Relationship from the list of field types. This is the step where you start building that bridge between your two objects. Now, you need to select the object that you want to connect with. For our example, if you're linking customers to orders, you'll select the Orders object here. Almost done. Label your new field, like Customer Orders, and configure any necessary settings. These settings can define how users view and access the linked data. Finally, hit Save, and that's it. You've successfully created a lookup relationship. Now, whenever you view a customer, you can see all their orders linked directly in their profile. And there you have it. You've just learned what a lookup relationship is, why it's useful, and how to create one in Salesforce. This feature will help you manage and view your data more effectively. Thank you for joining us in the Salesforce Art Studio today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. This is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep organizing and innovating.